Jensen, and I'm a co-chair of the Astronomers for Planet Earth Web Resources Working Group. So if you're new to Astronomers for Planet Earth, you might visit the homepage first, and we invite you to join us and create an account, become a member with us. But even if you don't, you can still use our resources under the Media and Resources heading, and then the Public Resources subheading. So that takes you to 6 bubbles that represent 6 broad categories that our team has identified as useful categories that A4E can weigh in on when it comes to climate change from an astronomical perspective. So the first 3 bubbles are really that connection to astronomy is really strong. We have carbon footprint of the astronomy profession, communicating climate from an astronomy perspective, and articles, books, and presentations by members of A4E. So that's going to be your primary astronomical connection to climate change in A4E. The bottom 3 bubbles are other things that we find and use and love and recommend. So this bubble, external climate resources, is very full because there's so much great stuff out there that we didn't want to reinvent the wheel, but we want to put our weight behind it as saying that this is a trustworthy resource and we recommend it, we use it, we like it. We also are working to develop our non-English resources since A4E is an international effort. We really need a lot more contributions to this area, and we'd love your help with that if you know any languages besides English. And then finally, so many of our members are early career people, students, people thinking about how can I use my astronomical research skills or interests to push me into a climate career direction where you can maybe make more of a difference in certain career paths. So we wanted to make sure that we put that in there, and some A4E members have found some of these training programs very useful and have gone off in really interesting directions to work in the climate profession. So definitely check these out, and when you click on any one of these, you'll be taken to a variety of resources, a big table of these resources, and you can click on the title to get a better view of what is going on with this particular resource. Generally, the description is pretty short. We really just refer you directly to the original source there. So that will be how you move external to the A4E site and learn about these external resources. We also have document tags, which currently just apply to the sub heading that we're looking at. So since I clicked on external climate resources, these tags are only going to show me carbon footprint resources, for instance, under this external resources. So you can see we didn't have anything with that tag. Maybe we have books, taking a bit to load there, but you can browse some of these tags. And there we have communication strategies. So if you want to browse communication resources more broadly beyond just our public resources, you can do the global search at the top with the global search bar. So for instance, if I search communication, it will search the whole A4E website, and you can see anything that's relevant to that there. So hopefully you find these useful. This is a living space where we are working to build up these resources. So please come, please suggest resources for us. Let us know if you have comments about our current resources. We'd love to hear from you. All right, so thank you, and please consider joining our resource working group.